What's up, everyone? NQ here. Welcome to the virtual assembly. Want to thank Character Strong for having me here today. I know that the themes for this particular virtual event are integrity and honesty and finding clarity with who we are. So I thought it would be perfect to perform a piece called Superpowers from my new book, Inquire Within. I hope you enjoy. When I think of superheroes, I think of superhuman. I think of Superman, Black Panther, and Wonder Woman. Usually they have a cape or a mask to hide their face. They have X-ray vision and superhuman strength. Some can even breathe in outer space. They fly around a while, but they always come back to keep our cities safe. They're here to save humanity from itself. It's a metaphor for how we look outside ourselves for help. And while the fantasies are fun, I choose to look to me and you. Yeah, we love superheroes, but we have superpowers too. Ooh. It starts with being open to this moment. If you do, then you can own it. Besides, it'll be gone before you know it, so don't blow it. You owe it to this second of eternity to show up, embrace the possibilities, and slow up. Take a breath, look around, see the sights, hear the sounds, feel the ground. Notice how the gravity is holding you down. You could be anywhere in the world, and yet you're here. When you embrace it as your own, you can overcome any fear. And real courage is looking into the mirror. It's deciding what you want to do, then making it appear. It's creating out of thin air. You must be doing something right if you got scared. Otherwise, you wouldn't care. It's a process to get here to there. We're on the journey and we're learning, but building muscle means we're going to feel some burning. So don't deny it, simplify it, try it, see if it can work for you. Change perspective to get a different view. And don't forget, you got to laugh at the truth. Because sometimes a sense of humor is the only thing that pulls us through. It's medicine if you can let it in. An attitude of gratitude will bubble up from within. So even when the storm clouds block the blue from your sky, you'll remember that the sun is waiting for you on the other side. And having fun is something we must decide. From the lows to the highs, it's all a part of the ride. I could throw my hands up or hold on for dear life. But I'd rather live once than have to go to hell twice. Compassion is my passion. Empathy is my gift. But my growth is incremental as my consciousness shifts. So I create from the abyss, turning my pain into gold. I'm an alchemist, an optimist, and an authentic soul. Because I believe that life is good, even when it hurts to see. I believe in superpowers, and I believe in you and me. I believe in superheroes, but I don't look for them above, because they exist inside us all, and we save the day with love.